So, nakalabas na ako ng kwarto ko. And it's 6:20 something. I don't know. But, okay. Lumabas si mama. Pumunta siya. May binili siya. Si ma, tulog pa siya. Yung tatay ko tulog din. So, yeah, I'm the only one awake. And di pa ako natutulog. And it's actually morning na, guys. So, nakapatay lang yung mga ilaw namin. So, I will bring you with me sa morning routine. Okay, so first, guys, we put this Detoxifying Pore Scrub Cleanse by Olay. Di ko siya mabasa kasi ayun siya. So it's okay, so ginawa ko na lang yung mga things ko kasi may natutulog sa room ko. So ayan, brush your hair, guys. You know, when I was like 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up to 11 years old, I had curly hair, but my natural hair is straight, guys. I'm not gay. But support gay people. Diba, ang aga-aga magli-lipstick. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng red na lipsticks. By the way, kay Brielle to. It's just nice. Tapos, this is my favorite perfume. Like, right now. Malapit na siya maubos. I'm gonna cry. So, naamoy ko tong perfume na to kay Ate Blair. And I bought this on TikTok shop. So, if you guys want to buy, nag-live selling, basta just chat me. I'll send you the link. Kasi hindi ko siya gina-gatekeep. Cause it's really bango. Naamoy ko to kay Ate Blair. And she's so bango. So, I used it then. So, yeah. It's really, so bango. So, yeah. Yun, guys. Yun lang naman. Let's wait for breakfast. Tas online class. So, update, guys. Good morning. I'm gonna eat Jollibee. Tayo sa vlog ko.
Hi, vlog. Pakita yung hi.
Okay. So, magpapalit ako ng damit kasi magja-jogging kami.
Burger steak, fries, chicken joy. Diba yung chewy ko kami lang kasi palagi.
So, hi guys. I'm sorry hindi na ako nakapag-vlog for almost 2 days, but I forgot to update you and I'm so sorry kasi the last time I did during day in my life was jogging, diba? Yeah. So, yeah, i-upload ko na siya today, tonight. So, masaya na kayo. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. See you soon.
Aubrey signing out.